This old guy DIY video has to do with another success story. This mower, according to the tag, was made in January 5th of 1999. It had been running poorly for the last year or so. After doing 2 other mowers with those $25 Amazon carburetors, I dropped 25 bucks for a carburetor for this one. And I think if I give her a pull, it's going to take off. I wish I had been aware of these Amazon carburetors 10 years ago. I think of the number of hours I've spent helping people with their mowers. I would have gladly just gone to Amazon, bought the carb 2 days later, 30 minutes for removing the old one and installing a new one, and the homeowner's back in action. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.